The thing about pork is it's so versatile. It lends itself very well to all different cooking techniques, different temperatures. I think first and foremost, the most important thing is obviously respecting the animal. So our thing is definitely utilizing as much as that pig as we possibly can. With the trims, that's very, very important. We get creative with that. So this dish, the biscuits and gravy, is based off of the trim of the pig. It's 100% utilization of the animal, which is very, very important. So it lends itself very well to a traditional biscuit and gravy. Very comforting, a lot of maple syrup, Tabasco, bright flavors and all, and just a hearty dish as well. Being a chef and bringing in primal cuts like this allows myself to be a little bit more diverse, I believe, give me a little bit more freedom, a little bit more creativity, and utilizing a lot of the cuts that a lot of people are not familiar with. There's many different other areas of the pork to be able to utilize it in the exact way that I would like to utilize it, how I would like to cook it. For example, the secreto, we treated this cut of meat as sort of like fish. We quickly grilled it to medium, sliced it very, very thin, a little bit of sushi rice, sesame leaf, serrano for a little heat, a little bit of soy and yuzu to kind of break and cut through that richness of it, bonito flake for smokiness, and a little fried pastry on top for crunch. Something like the skirt steak that you won't see that often. Again, it's overlooked because of the pork chop that everyone's familiar with. So this one is a little English muffin skirt steak sandwich. I thought it'd be fun to do a little play off of something very familiar. The skirt steak lends up very, very well to grilling, slicing very, very thin, and again, being so fatty that it can hold up a lot to a lot of different spice. So curry aioli, a little bit of red onion, and then arugula and pea tendrils. This dish is a very, very classic pork loin parmesan, just elevated to the next level. Taking off the tomahawk, using that bone in actually the cooking process of the pork to fortify it, richness as well, and then very, very traditional. Use a tomato paste, a little sauce, a buffalo mozzarella, fried basil. Again, bringing home like those Sunday suppers, at least for me growing up as a kid.